Welcome to the lecture number 31, dear students. Trigonometry 6.2. It is also called as applications of trigonometry. Now, in this case, we will find in question number 1, person is standing 80 meters from a church. Looking at its top, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Find the height of the church. Now you will find, let the height of church is AB. So AB is height of the church. C is position of the observer. So observer is standing at position C and looking at the top. So you will find that line of vision is this one. Line of vision. Question is to find out A. Now we may think in this way that it is very easy. This is 45 degree. Then this is also 45 degree. I can use 45, 45, 90 and I can find out answer. But this is not allowed at all. Please try to understand. This is not allowed. You have to use trigonometric ratios only. So you will find, I can say over here that in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what we know? We know adjacent side from point C, that is BC. What we have to find out? AB. AB is opposite to angle C. That means we have to select such trigonometric ratios in which there exists opposite side as well as adjacent side. So that ratio is tan as well as cot, but I will prefer to use tan. So you will find in triangle ABC, tan angle C is equal to tan angle C is equal to tan C is equal to opposite side, that is AB, upon adjacent side is BC. Tan angle C is equal to AB upon BC. Then it is very easy. Angle is given as 45. So tan 45 is equal to, we have to find out AD. We have to find out AD upon BC. This is given as 80. BC is given as 80. Then you will find tan 45 is equal to 80 upon 80. But what is value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to AB upon 80. If I transfer this 80 to the left hand side, I'll get 80 is equal to 80 meter. Then height of the church is 80 meter. Height of the church is 80 meter. Please write the answer in always complete sentence. Please have a look at the sum again. Very simple sum. Second sum now. It is very important, dear students. These sums seems to be very simple, but it is very important. You must have to draw figure for all questions. Very, very important. You must have to draw figures for these sums. Question number 2. From the top of lighthouse, top of a lighthouse an observer looking, an observer from the top of a lighthouse, an observer is looking at a ship, at a ship, makes angle of depression, makes angle of depression 60 degree. If height of lighthouse, if height of lighthouse is 90 meters, is 90 meters, how far is ship? How far is ship from lighthouse? This is a question, but this time it is very important to note that angle of depression is there. From a top of a lighthouse, supposing if I draw this AB as a lighthouse, then you will find this time angle of depression now AB is the height of lighthouse. Lighthouse 90 meters, correct? Then you will find an observer is looking at a ship, makes an angle of depression of 60 degree. Angle of depression. Now you will find position of observer is A. Please try to understand. Position of observer is A. So here you can say horizontal. This is horizontal. Then you will find, if I take this as point B, then this angle is angle of depression, and measure of angle of depression is 60 degree. How far is ship? C is the position of ship. So more or less you will find this is a figure for this question. Now I am going to write details of the figure, and please remember in examination also you must have to write details of the figure and you must have to draw figure also because it carries marks. So I will write over here AB is equal to lighthouse. Next to that we will find C is position of ship. Position of ship. A is position of observer. Position of observer. Angle PAC is equal to angle PAC is equal to angle ACB is equal to angle ACB. That is equal to 60. These are alternate angles. So naturally you may think that how they become alternate angles, where are the parallel lines? This is 90 and you will find this is also 90. Complete angle is 90. So you will find these are interior angles and therefore these are the parallel lines and hence PAC is equal to ACB and that is equal to 60. These are alternate angles. Now what we have to find out right from this time, how far is she? That means we have to find out BC. Find out BC. To find BC. To find out value of BC. Now you will find that to find out the value of BC, this is a triangle in which this is angle, opposite side is known to us. We have to find out BC. Same way, right? So we can say here, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, tan C, again same way, tan angle C is equal to, now tan C will be opposite side upon adjacent. So AB upon BC. AB upon BC. Tan C is equal to AB upon BC. Now you will notice tan C, but value of C is what? 60. So tan 60 is equal to tan 60 is equal to AB. Now what is value of AB? AB is 90. 90 upon 90 upon BC. 90 upon BC. Tan 60, you must know the value of tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 90 upon BC. BC is equal to 90 upon root 3. I transfer 3 to the left hand side and BC to the left hand side and 3 on right hand side. So it becomes 90 upon root 3. Since you are rationalizing the denominator, so BC is equal to 90 upon root 3 multiplying and dividing by root 3. Multiplying and dividing by root 3. Therefore, BC is equal to 90 root 3 upon 3. 90 root 3 upon 3. Because you know root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 30s are. So BC is equal to 30 into root 3. BC is equal to 30 into root 3. Now value of root 3 is given 1.73. So BC is equal to 30 into 1.73. Be careful now. Be careful now. So BC is equal to 3 into 17.3. 30 is nothing but what? 10 into 3. If I multiply this by 10, actually, decimal will shift one digit to right. So we get 17.3. So BC is equal to 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. After one digit we have to place decimal. So BC is equal to 51.90 meters. So our final answer, ship is at a distance of, and in examination also, please remember, you must have to write the answer in complete sentence. Therefore, ship is at a distance of 51.9 from lighthouse. So this is how you will find that we have got the answer of second one as 51.90. Let's do the question number 3. In all these sums, very important thing that you must have to write the details of the figure, that position of observer. For example, in this sum, draw it figure carries marks. Those who wish to score full marks, not even they, but all of you also see, will draw figure with pencil only. These all questions are minimum of 3 marks. Some of them, these word problems, may carry 4 marks also. May carry 4 marks. Now question number 3. Two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meters. Anyway, questions are given in textbook. So I am writing in short, two buildings on opposite side of the road. Width of road is 12 meters. Width of road is 12 meters. From the top of first building, from top of first building, of height 10 meters. From the top of first building of height 10 meters, angle of elevation, angle of elevation, angle of elevation with the top of second building, with the top of second building, with the top of second building is 60 degree. Find height of second building. Find height of second building. Fine. Now you will find here two buildings are given over here. Two buildings are given over here. Width of the road is given. Now please look. Now supposing this is one building, here there is a road. This is the second building. AB is the width of road. Width of road is given as 12 meters. This is a C point. Point C is the position of observer. Now, to get the angle of elevation, we must have to join this. We must have to join this. Then you will find from C, the person is looking at the top of the second building. Okay. Now you will find A, B, C, D, E, and you will find angle of elevation is found to be 60. Question is find out B. Find B. What is B? B is height of the second. Now please try to understand. You will find here this is 10 meters. This is also 10 meters and this is X meter of this. Because you will find if I drop perpendicular on B, naturally CABD, quadrilateral CABD becomes rectangle, and therefore its opposite sides are congruent. So CD is 12 meter, AB is 12 meter, AC is 10 meter, DB is 10 meter. We have to find out BE. So we have to find out value of X. We know DB already. So now let's take the description of the figure. So I'll say first AC is equal to 10 meter. Then you will find BE is height of second building. Then CD draw, we must have to say draw CD perpendicular on BE. CD perpendicular on BE. Height of second building is BE. AC is 10 meter. Draw CD perpendicular on BE. Then quadrilateral CABD. Quadrilateral CABD is a rectangle. CABD is a rectangle. Because you will notice all angles are of 90 degrees. So this becomes a rectangle. This is congruent. Then you will get AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. That is equal to AB is equal to CD is equal to 12 meters. AB is equal to CD is 12 meter. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. That is equal to 10 meter. These are opposite sides of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle. These are opposite sides of rectangle. Then you will find angle DCE. Angle DCE is equal to 60 degree. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation, we got it as 60 degree. Now we will find let DE is equal to X. Let DE is equal to X meter. We don't know DE. We have to find out DE. We know BD already. So in triangle ECD, in triangle ECD, in triangle ECD. Okay. Now our aim is to get value of X. We know CD. CD is adjacent to point C. C is a position of observer. Then you will find from here he looks at the top E. So you will find here we know adjacent side. We have to find out opposite side. So we have to use the same ratio, that is tan ratio. So in triangle ECD, tan angle ECD is equal to opposite side is D upon adjacent side is CD. D upon C. But what is value of this angle ECD? ECD is 60. 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to DE is X upon CD. CD is 12. So X upon 12. Again same way. Tan 60. What is value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to X upon 12. Root 3 is equal to X upon 12. Or we must say X is equal to 12 root 3. X is equal to 12 into 1.73. That is it. Value of root 3 is always 1.7. 12 3s are 36. 12 7s are 87. 84 plus 3, 87. So it becomes 12 ones are 12 plus 8, 20. 0.76 meter. That is X. But what is X? X is DE. So DE is equal to 20.76 meter. Question is not to find out DE. We have to find out height of the second building. Height of the second building is DE. Therefore, height of second building, height of second building. PE is equal to BD plus DE. BD plus DE. What is BD? BD is 10 plus 20.76. That is equal to 30.76. Don't forget to write meter. So this is how you will find the height of the second building is 30.76 meter. Or I'll write here. Height of second building. Height of second building is 30.76 meter. So this is how you will notice. Here we got 20.76, that is DE, and simply we have to add 10 to that, so it is 30.76. So height of the second building is 30.76. So here we finish question number 3. Now question number 4. Dear students, please see that you must keep your textbook always with you while watching these videos, so that you will get a clear idea that which sum we are solving in with what way. So that is very important to understand the method of solving these sums. If textbook is with you in front of you, you will get the reference of all things very easily. The drawing figure for all these questions is must, and writing answer in sentence is also compulsory because it carries marks. Two poles of height 80 meters and 7 meters. Two poles of height 18 meters and 17 meters. 18 meters. 7 meters. Two poles are there. One is of height 18 meters, second one is of 7 meters. The length of the wire, the length of the wire, the length of the wire the length of the wire fastened at their tops, or in simple language you can say this wire is tight at both the ends. So length of the wire fastened at their tops is 22 meters. Find angle made by wire with horizontal. So in this case you will find there are two poles having different heights. So here I am going to draw two poles. One is of height 18 meter. Okay. Other one is of height 7 meter. One is of 18 meter. Other one is of 7 meter. Both of them are erected on the ground. So AB, CD, AB and CD are two poles. Then wire is fastened at the top. So you will find that this wire is there. BD is a wire. This is a wire. AB is equal to first pole, we can say, having the height as 7 meter. CD is the second pole. CD is having the height of 22. Sorry, CD is having the height of 18 meter. Now I have to find out the angle made by this wire. So I'll mention over here BD is equal to wire. I'm going to draw perpendicular from B. So if I draw perpendicular from B, if I call it as B, draw BE. Perpendicular on CD. Draw B perpendicular on CD. Now you will find quadrilateral BACE becomes a rectangle. This angle also will become 90 automatically if three of them are 90. So quadrilateral BACE is a rectangle. BAC is a rectangle. Now height of AB is 7. So this is also 7. If this is 7, it is very important. 7 plus 11 is 18. So you will get total is 18. These are collinear points. And length of the wire is 22 meter. Length of the wire is 22 meter. So BACE is a rectangle. Question is, find out the angle made by wire with horizontal. That means we have to find the value of theta. Okay. So you will find here. Find theta. Find theta. In triangle DBE, in a right angle triangle, that is very important. In right angle triangle, DBE, in right angle triangle DBE. In right angle triangle DBE, BD is hypotenuse opposite to 90. BD is hypotenuse opposite to 90. So hypotenuse and opposite side. Opposite side is know D. Okay. So you will find here in triangle BDE sin theta is equal to DE upon BD. upon BD. Why I have chosen sine angle? Because we know hypotenuse and we know opposite side. Therefore, we find sine theta is equal to DE upon BD. If we get sine theta is equal to DE upon BD, but what is value of DE? DE is 11. So 11 upon 22. Therefore, sine theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Sine theta is 1 upon 2. If you know the values of all angles in a table, then you will notice very important that sine 30 is equal to 1. We obtained the value of sine theta as half, but since we know that sine 30 is also half, therefore theta is equal to 30. Angle made by wire with horizontal is 30. So this is how you will find, this is a figure, this is the description of the figure. We have to find out angle made by wire with the horizontal. Let's do the next one. I think enough time. So I would like to end this lecture over here only. I'll see you in the next lecture, that is lecture number 32. Once again, I would like to request you all, please learn the values, please try to understand identities properly, how all these identities we can use in a 3 different ways. Very, very important. Thank you, dear students.